Taking a look at this Philips Go Zero sparkling water machine. So the first thing you'll need to do is source a CO2 tank. This is a 60-liter tank, and we'll peel off the protective cap at the end, which covers the valve stuff here. And this is the twist-on style. When you get the dispenser out of the box, you're going to find that there's a place to insert the tank there, and once it almost bottoms out, you'll just screw it into position like that. And now we have the bottle. There's a minimum and maximum fill line on the bottle. We'll just take some water here and fill it up right between those two lines. Then we can tilt it in, screw the bottle up into the dispenser, and now we just push the single button at the top here for 2 to 3 seconds, and now we've induced or added a bunch of CO2 to the bottle. Now we'll slowly bring this off, and now we have a great sparkling water at a fraction of the cost of buying bottles at the store. I want to thank Philips for sending us this. Can't wait to use it now. So refreshing here in Arizona with the heat. Really appreciate sparkling water. Thanks, Philips, for making it so easy. Hope this helps.